Hey guys, so another updated video. Working on this little Altima that I got from my buy here pay here inventory. It's a pretty nice car. First thing I did was start detailing the inside. So that's done. Well, all I got to do is actually just add a little bit of shine to it. But this video right here is actually going to be about doing the headlights. They were like this right here. So as you can see, they're not too bad, but they're not good. Down here is pretty clear. Up here is rough. The first thing I did was just buff it out with some rubbing compound. That didn't work. So what I'm doing now is I'm actually sanding it, and yeah, I'm going to show you all the process. So here it is. As you can see, there is a little spot right here where it's still not as smooth, not as see-through as it should be, but that compared to the other side is way better. On this side, I'm actually going to start with 1200 grit, and then I'll move to 1500, and then I'll do the 2000 grit. So while I'm doing this, I actually I don't know if you could tell in the first time-lapse video, but the dirt, the water, the soap, at first it was like a brownish color. Now it's actually coming out just soapy. So I'm guessing that was able to get all the dirt, all the bad stuff off. And you could even go down as far as like start from probably 800 and then just go up. Alright, so as you can see, after you wet sand it with 2000 grit, it's foggy. And the rubbing compound should take care of that. And then after you compound it, you can still polish it and then wax it just to protect it. I'm just gonna do the compound for now. There it is, just some simple rubbing compound. You can go as far as putting polish, and then after the polish, you can also do the wax or ceramic coat or whatever it is you want to add to it to protect it. What I'm actually about to try is this Plastix that I got at Walmart, and I'm just gonna add it onto a new pad. You can get these pads off Walmart, not Walmart, sorry, Amazon. And I've used this before on headlights with just a rag, so it should turn out pretty good. Just a little bit on it, and then one thing I want to do to the headlight is actually clean it off with some rubbing alcohol. The reason I'm doing this is so it doesn't have any compound on it when I add that next step. So there it is. That headlight is way better. So do a little up close. As you can see, there is a couple little spots, but it came out way better than this one. and definitely way better than before. So next time I'll probably start with a 1000 grit. That way I can get rid of all that stuff. But I am going to show y'all just basically how I spray down the engine. I've already wiped it off, and I'm just going to add some shine to it. Make this car look even cleaner. So this is a silicone-based shine. It's actually the one that I used on the tires, but I just thought I'd try it on the engine. Here's how it turned out. Definitely shiny. I don't like it to be too shiny, but you know, just for a simple spray down, it's not bad. Normally what I would do would be spray it, and then I'll kind of rinse it off with some water just to kind of take the excess spray off. But yeah, also, if y'all can let me know if y'all like this video quality. I got the GoPro 7 white, and it's got the wide angle. Normally I've been recording with my cell phone, but if y'all like this angle right here and all that, the sound quality, let me know in the comments. I'd like to get a newer camera or something else, because I like to listen to music while I'm on my phone, and when I'm recording I can't do any of that. So please comment, let me know if y'all like this quality. Subscribe, make sure to like this channel and hit that little notification button.